later, we're pulling in. Let's go, baby. No. Well, guys, we are out in the field. We got set up. Rocking the old Pigeon Hunter red t-shirt from Sono More this morning. Show you guys the spread a little bit. It's freaking soaked out here. It just poured a little bit. But basically we just set a wall. Pretty steady wind coming at us this way out of the northeast. And then just sitting by this little building. So should have the birds finishing right here. We're kind of going to be cross shooting them, but pretty good spread here. So it's just a two-man right now, me and Alex, and I can see if we can put a herd on them. So let's get to it.
Something with the wiring in there got messed up.
On the doves? I was gonna say, I thought you had, like, you know, a couple little ones.
Yeah, I had a couple over the years. I should just go buy a couple.
Well, I bought these two lucky ducks before last, like, wheat field season.
Yep.
And I'll probably need to buy new after this year. Just they work fine, but
Lucky duck's awesome.
yeah, they're getting like one has a BB hole right through the head of it, and like I'm sure by the end of this year is what I'm getting at, that they'll be pretty beat up.
Right.
Wanna go?
Yep.
Okay. Nice. Coming back. Yeah, load up slowly. Let him in. See this block?
Yep. Okay. Coming back.
Yep. Should we get him there? Go.
Yeah.
Just wait on him. We'll get a good one, Alex. They're so close. Ready on this flock?
Yep.
Shoot these back ones. Go! Dude, I sucked. I got two. You triple?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, we didn't do terrible then. I got two.
5 birds, that's pretty good.
They just didn't ball up, dude.
Yeah.
They were so close. Like those first 10 were trying to sit like right there.
Yep. Yeah, we laid in
Two fresh ones. Oh, single right here, burning. Just let them down in and see what these two do. Let them in.
Looks like they're dipping down.
Right here, four.
Oh, these are fresh birds.
Yep, don't move. See these 3 wrapping?
Yep.
These 2?
More birds here.
Should we let them in? Let them in.
We'll get this hook right here.
Yep, we'll get a good rep.
Yep, right here.
Oh yeah, dude, they're bombing. Oh yeah, hey.
Huge flock.
Yeah. You ready to unload, hey?
Yeah, I'm just gonna.
Should we wait?
What do you think, Cole?
Just hold on. On the swing, buddy. Just let them eat. We might take them out there. Ready? Wait. This wrap, we're fucking dumping.
Yep.
Go. Nice.
Load up.
Well, yeah, load up for real. Oh, one went down out there.
They're circling that. Oh, a fresh pack right here on the left. What do you think? Kill these? Nice
Fucking
auburn
hell,
in there.
Ready?
Yep.
Get them. Nice. We had to shoot because they're just gonna start.
Right. Almost just gotta kind of take them that first crack. Man, how did that thing get away?
We just murder a whole flock and then win.
Yeah. Where do you think? go. Good boy. On the left, right here, nice auburn.
Like, you never know if this thing gets spicy.
Yeah, should be at least 100
I'm
more.
shooting great. I
coming.
probably killed
That's
10 birds already. I'm fucking or close to it. I'm serious.
Yeah, or right here, right out front, 4-pack.
Fuck, my door. Yeah, they want in. Let's just let them in.
Yo. Oh yeah, they're hooking good. Right over the top, 2-pack.
Should we shoot these two? Get the
Yeah,
three?
kill them here.
God.
Man,
I just kept shooting because he was injured.
yeah, you got hit.
Shouldn't waste that many shells.
Ooh, 2 right out front. I'll shoot these 2.
Ooh. Might come back. Go for it. It's alright. You ready? Right here.
Oh yeah.
On this wrap. Ready?
Yep.
Get him?
Yep.
Reload. Right here, don't move.
Kill this single, you think?
Yeah. Right side, bud. There's more.
Yep.
We'll take these 4 if they come around, hey?
Yep.
Ready? Oh, dude, that might be a homer. Kill that one. It looks kind of small. Nice. Nice shot, buddy. Good follow. We're murking them.
Yep.
Just absolutely murking them. Already worth the drive.
Yep.
I mean, seriously.
Yeah.
You get some rallies like this, like it was worth it already.
Yep.
Oh, big flock. GoPro start. Oh, it's recording. Big flock. Big flock.
Let's see if I can get this on Snapchat here.
They're coming over our head. Right over our head. You ready?
Yep. Kill them on this pass.
Yep. Shoot them. You ready? There's gonna be something to come back. Yep, right here. Well, guys, we have been absolutely putting the hurt on the page today. Alex and me are shooting really well. Oh. We got a 3-pack coming. Shit. Got one. God damn it. Anyway, just got 1 out of 3. But anyway, We are absolutely wrecking them, like I said. We're probably at 50 or 60. Alex went back to grab some more shells. But yeah, as you guys can see, it's been pretty freaking good. So I'm gonna get the camera back around and let's keep shooting. It's kind of on that one. I'm gonna need... Ready?
Yep.
Shoot him. Oh,
How'd that thing keep
it's
flying?
gonna die.
Yeah.
Get the 3.
Yeah.
Get him. Another solo coming here.
Yep. That one got hit out there.
2A.
Nice whitey.
Yeah, that was a nice. I kind of took him. He had some knobbers on him, kind of.
What do you think we're at for numbers?
Fuck, I mean, I'd say at least 30 or 40.
Yeah.
Minimum.
Big.
GoPro, start recording. Just wait on him. Wait on him. We'll get a good one, Alex. They're so close. Ready on this walk?
Yep.
Shoot these back ones. Go. Yep. These 5 right here, ready?
That's a nice auger.
Ready?
On the right. Yep.
Go. Oh, he's going.
I think pigeons are just as fun as ducks.
Yeah,
and
dude,
geese.
look at them.
And there's no limit.
They're
They're
deep.
dumb as hell.
If you... Oh, fresh 4 right up front.
Yep. I'll get a video of this one.
Okay, you want me to wreck this whole flock?
Yeah, let's try to kill all 4.
I will.
I'll contribute.
Little white. You want to take that white one?
Yep.
Go. Got him.
Yep.
Because I love when they come down, they get rid of the spinners, and then they make that one really slow loop.
Yep.
Like, that's the death loop.
Yeah, sometimes there you can line 2, 3.
There's a lot of people, dude, like, it'll be on the... Literally, as they're coming down in, you know, they shoot the initial, and they're going so fast. Like,
Yep.
they're not like ducks and geese with...
One pass, they just hover.
Yeah, ducks and geese, dude, you get them in range. It's like, shoot them, kind of.
Yep.
But unless you really like are working dumb birds or have a good spread where you let them work around, like, but dude, I'll let a whole flock get right in the hole and not shoot them sometimes because it's just not the right setup. It's like I can't hit them on the...
They don't really land.
Oh, two right here. Bombing. Ready? Go.
Yep. That's sweet.
Yeah, they're wrapping over us. Right here. No matter what, let's get them when they come around.
Yeah.
You get that one on the left?
Yep.
Get him. Hey, he's down. I didn't get your ears, did I there?
No.
Good? Okay. That first swing if they come over from the left.
Alright.
Ready?
Yep.
Shoot him. Oh! That was bad shooting by me.
That was me too.
Yeah, that was terrible. Ready?
Yep.
Get him. God. Oh, there you go.
Killed 2.
Yeah. Well, guys, we are packing out. It was a pretty epic morning, not gonna lie. Happy I made the drive down. Alex is just picking up a bunch of dead birds that were on the edge of the spread. And we got a lot of dead birds that are out over this back side of the spread. We had a crosswind today. Sitting in a really wet field. It's like a tilled wheat or I don't know really what it is. But they're feeding out here like crazy. We had a little building here which was convenient, just layout blinded. And so the wind right now is kind of coming in our face, crossing. So, you know, we had a lot of shots right here today, but they were trying to hit that wind and land out on the edge, which was fine, but we just kind of had to live with it. So, but we're gonna pack out. I don't know how many we shot yet. My guess is, I would say around 70. So, oh! Alex went to pick up a bird and she about got away. But anyway, yeah. Alex, what's your guess before we count them? I say 70.
I'm gonna say like 65.
65? All right, we got two close ones.
67.
Okay. All right, well, we're gonna pick them up, get the spread picked up, and we'll see how many we got. Well, Alex has been blasting. He's way over on this tree line, walking around it and stuff. And he's blasted like 5 shots now. So we might have 100. I've looked at every nook and cranny around this thing. And I've been just kind of waiting with the spinners on and some decoys out. But if he finds like 1 or 2 more, I know for sure that we're going to be at 100. So let's go. Well, guys, we ended up scratching out 100 birds this morning. Alex found a couple more cripples along the edge line over there and finished them off, and we probably killed, I don't know, probably 105, 110. We had a couple more other cripples fly off, but an absolutely awesome hunt this morning. 2 guys, 100 birds, can't beat it. We missed a couple, but
yeah, they,
you know, we shot good.
Yeah, decoyed really good.
Yep.
Yeah, it was a fun morning.
Yeah, so I think Alex ran me down. Sure, we'll get back out again soon.
Yeah.
And hit that like button. Hope you guys subscribe, and be having some more pigeon content soon. So thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.